Robot vacuum and sonic mop, 5100 pascals suction, 3D structured light obstacle avoidance, auto lifting mop, ultrasonic carpet detection, compatible with Alexa, perfect for pet hair obstacle avoidance. Reactive AI 2.0 obstacle avoidance uses a camera for hazard recognition, with an LED for recognition in dark rooms for accurate obstacle recognition in day or night. Real-time video call to anywhere in your home through your robot. See who you are talking to, and hear them too. Powerful suction with precision navigation, clean extra deeply with a maximum suction of 5100 pascals in Max Plus mode, and get maximum coverage with precision LiDAR navigation. Avoiding the unknown, equipped with 3D structured light obstacle sensing, unknown obstacles are accurately identified and avoided. Sonic vibration technology, mop effectively with sonic mopping that scrubs at up to 3000 cycles per minute to shift dried-on stains. Mop floors and vacuum carpets in one go, mop more effectively with sonic vibration technology. The mop lifts automatically when a carpet is detected to mop floors and vacuum carpets in one run. Multidirectional floating brush. Multiplane floating brush keeps the brush close to the floor on uneven surfaces for better agitation. Clean your way, understand your home better with 3D mapping, and tailor your cleaning with multi-level mapping, room-specific settings, no-go zones, no-mop zones, and more. Voice control, start a clean, change settings and more with the power of your voice.